Hey guys, and in today's video, let's take a look at protective housing, which is an official accessory for the GoPro Hero 9 Black. So this accessory is ideal for scuba divers because it's waterproof down to 60 meters deep. But apart from that, it's gonna be also an ideal accessory for everyone who tries to protect their camera from dirt, mud, scratches and all sorts of impacts during very extreme activities. So if you want to protect your GoPro, I think this is gonna be the ultimate protection that you can get for your camera. I think whenever you're going to do something dangerous, when you're gonna put your camera in harm's way, I think it's always best to be safe than sorry and risk a $50 accessory rather than the whole camera itself. Alright guys, without further ado, let's take a look what we have inside. Alright guys, so this is exactly what we have inside of the package, and this is a protective housing, a dive door. So this is exactly the door that you're going to use when you're going to scuba dive. Or maybe when you are going to do all sorts of crazy activities where you simply can damage your camera. So that's gonna give you the ultimate protection for your camera. And here we have the skeleton door. So if you want to have access to the touch screen, or perhaps maybe you want to have simply better audio, this is the door that you're going to use. Here we have a thumb screw and one buckle mount as well. And now let's put our GoPro Hero 9 Black inside of the protective housing. Alright guys, so this is how our GoPro Hero 9 Black looks like inside of the protective housing. And as you guys can notice, we still have a viewable access to the front LCD screen as well as the back LCD screen. However, right now I'm using the dive door, so I don't have the touch functionality to navigate through my camera. Please notice that at the side of our protective housing there is still a mode button, so if you want to turn on the camera or turn it off, or simply cycle between the modes, you still can do that with this button. And at the top of our camera, we still have access to the shutter button. So if you want to start the recording or perhaps stop it, you still can do that. And if you want to select a specific preset with your camera without the access to the touch screen, then you have to press the mode button and shutter button at the same time. This way, you can navigate between the presets, and once you are happy with it, you just press the shutter button so you can select it. And at the bottom of our camera we have access to the fixed fingers, so if you want to mount your camera to any traditional GoPro mounts, you still can do that. I almost forgot, but there is a plastic cover on the lens, so just make sure you remove that. And now let's take a look at the skeleton door and mount it on our protective housing. So this is how it looks like with the skeleton door on, and as you guys see, it gives us access to the touchscreen. So we still have touchscreen functionality with this door and better audio. So by now you're probably wondering how is the audio quality affected when you're using the dive door or the skeleton door. So let's see how it sounds like. So this is how the GoPro Hero 9 Black sounds without the protective housing. Once again, this is the audio without the protective housing. And this is how the GoPro Hero 9 Black sounds with the protective housing and skeleton door. Once again, right now I'm using the skeleton door. And this is how the GoPro Hero 9 Black sounds with the protective housing with the dive door. Once again, I'm using the dive door with the protective housing. So guys, when you're going to purchase your protective housing for the GoPro Hero 9 Black, just make sure that you choose the one that's compatible, because as you guys see, I have a protective housing for the GoPro Hero 8 Black and it's very similar. So just make sure that the one you're ordering is gonna be compatible with your device. Alright guys, so if you are interested in the protective housing, you can buy it for around $50, but if you decide to get it on a GoPro website with the GoPro Plus subscription, you can get it for as low as $25. So I think it's really cheap. Obviously guys, if you're looking for some cheaper alternative, you can definitely look for some third-party accessories. However, I think that if you're going to scuba dive, that's gonna be probably the best accessory that you can get for your camera. If you are going to use your GoPro somewhere where you simply can damage it, then I think that the cheaper alternative can do just fine. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it because I put a lot of effort into making it. If you feel like there is some value in it, then give me a thumb up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and see you guys in the next one. Bye!